Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new way to experience the joy of cooking. Forget the mundane kitchen. Today, we're embarking on a visual and culinary journey to some of the most breathtaking places on our planet. Imagine crafting delicious meals with stunning vistas as your backdrop, the fresh air invigorating your senses, and the local ingredients reflecting the beauty of your surroundings. Get ready to be inspired. Tuscan countryside. Simple pasta with golden views. Our first culinary escape takes us to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy. Picture yourself amidst vineyards bathed in warm sunlight, the air scented with rosemary and cypress. It's here, with this idyllic panorama, that we'll prepare a classic Tuscan dish, pasta al pomodoro e basilico. This simple yet flavorful pasta highlights the region's fresh tomatoes, fragrant basil, and robust olive oil. The beauty of Tuscan cooking lies in its reliance on quality, seasonal ingredients, allowing their natural flavors to shine. Imagine twirling your fork with this vibrant pasta, the golden light of the Tuscan sun warming your skin. Greek Isles. Aegean flavors with azure horizons. Next, we set sail for the stunning Greek Isles, where whitewashed villages cling to cliffs overlooking the deep blue Aegean Sea. With this breathtaking vista as our inspiration, we'll create a refreshing Greek salad, or horiatiki. The simplicity of ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, Kalamata olives, red onion, and creamy feta, dressed with oregano and local olive oil, perfectly mirrors the clean, vibrant beauty of the islands. Picture yourself savoring this salad on a sun-drenched terrace, the gentle sea breeze carrying the scent of the Mediterranean. Japanese garden. Serene flavors of matcha and tofu. Our journey then takes us to a tranquil Japanese garden, a haven of peace and harmony with meticulously manicured landscapes and the soothing sound of flowing water. In this serene setting, we'll prepare a delicate agadashi tofu with a light dashi broth and grated daikon. The subtle flavors of the silken tofu, the umami of the dashi, and the refreshing touch of the daikon reflect the understated elegance and balance of the Japanese aesthetic. Imagine enjoying this mindful dish amidst the quiet beauty of the garden, a moment of culinary zen. Patagonian wilderness. Hearty stew with mountain majesty. Now, we venture to the rugged beauty of Patagonia, where towering snow-capped mountains meet vast, windswept plains. Surrounded by this dramatic scenery, we'll cook a hearty Patagonian lamb stew, infused with local herbs and root vegetables. This warming and flavorful dish embodies the resilience and richness of the Patagonian landscape, providing sustenance and comfort against the backdrop of its majestic peaks. Picture yourself enjoying this robust stew in a cozy cabin, the wind howling outside, while the warmth of the fire and the flavors of the stew envelop you. Moroccan desert. Aromatic tagine under starry skies. Our final destination brings us to the mesmerizing landscapes of the Moroccan desert, where endless sand dunes meet a sky filled with countless stars. In this enchanting setting, we'll prepare a fragrant chicken tagine with preserved lemons and olives. The aromatic spices, the tender chicken, and the unique tang of preserved lemons and olives create a dish as captivating and mysterious as the desert night. Imagine sharing this flavorful tagine under a blanket of stars, the silence of the desert amplifying the rich aromas and tastes. Conclusion. These culinary journeys to beautiful places are more than just about recipes, they're about connecting with the world around us through food. The stunning landscapes inspire the ingredients, the flavors reflect the local culture, and the act of cooking becomes a mindful and enriching experience. We hope these glimpses have sparked your imagination and inspired you to find beauty in your own culinary adventures, wherever they may take you. Outro. Which of these beautiful places and recipes resonated with you the most? Do you have a favorite stunning location where you love to cook or dream of cooking? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring culinary and travel adventures. Happy cooking, wherever your beautiful place may be.